Hey Vedal, you should get a move on. You are wasting precious time in the loop.
Actually, wait, isn't this how we got to the Hanging City? I don't want to be in the Hanging City. Fuck. We should probably go a different way, unless we can go this way, which takes us to... I know, I didn't mean to.
Do you get lost often in this game?
It's faster. It's a faster way, Chad. It's a faster way. The Northern Glacier is like fast, close to the Wait, no, I can just land at the fucking place. Okay, you know, I got it.